guys, this is Joshua from techniv.com, and today we got a brand new iPhone XS and XS Max for us to take a quick look of it. So without further ado, let's just open this up. So there you have it, the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XS. And for those who are wondering, this is the size difference. So there isn't any much difference between these two phones other than the size, and also stuff like battery life is slightly bigger on the iPhone XS Max. But in terms of performance, it should be the same. So we're just gonna leave the iPhone XS Max right here because my colleague has already set up the iPhone XS, and also because I'm too lazy to set this right now. So the iPhone XS. What's the difference between this and the previous gen, the iPhone X? So compared to last generation, they introduced new color option, which is the gold color. Other than that, there isn't much difference when it comes to the outlook, but the biggest changes is what inside the device. Both the iPhone XS and the XS Max have the latest A12 Bionic chip with neural engine, which it will learn the more you use. Other than that, you get faster Face ID unlock, faster wireless charging, and also 60% more dynamic range on the display. And also it is now IP68 water and dust resistant compared to last gen, which is IP67. So with the current IP68, you can just dump it into the pool. And finally, the iPhone supports dual SIM. Other than iPhone that you buy in China that supports actual dual SIM, which it can physically host 2 SIM cards, but almost of the country, the iPhone X will support dual SIM, with one being the eSIM. Good for you, China. Good for you. And one of the biggest improvement will be the camera. Boom! Check this out. Zero shutter lag. Oh. So the new portrait mode allows you to readjust the aperture even after you have took the photo. Also with the new Smart HDR, you will get more dynamic range out of your photo. And in terms of video recording, it can now record in stereo, so get a better audio quality out of the iPhone XS. So I think that's all I want to share today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to visit us at techniv.com for more upcoming news, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.